Welcome to our What's New in 2020 series. I'm James and I'll be taking you through the updates for SOLIDWORKS CAM tab cutting. Custom machine components like this roof panel for the Omax water jet require special attention to manufacture. The three large cutouts need to remain attached to ensure the large scrap pieces don't damage the machine or ruin the part. SOLIDWORKS CAM 2020 introduces tab cutting, a new option to generate this critical toolpath detail versus manually adding these operations in post-processing. Users have full control over the size of the tabs and the thickness options when cutter depth is a factor. You can specify both the number of tabs and their spacings with individual offset control. Additional options allow for further refinement of the toolpath setup to ensure the highest quality output and optimal machine performance. With the operation updates complete, the regenerated toolpath can be simulated, giving you complete confidence in your manufacturing setup. With SOLIDWORKS CAM 2020, you can now create detailed toolpaths to drive your manufacturing processes. In summary, SOLIDWORKS CAM 2020 tab cutting is a very useful and much needed operation to any CAD/CAM program. SOLIDWORKS 2020. Powerful options to improve your manufacturing.